Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gearing up and entering Sneak. Equip armor that doesn't impede mobility, then activate Crouch. Once done, hold the Crouch key to trigger swift Sneak stacks. Each stack increases Sneak speed. This is why armor choice and no sprint discipline matter. Make sure to disable conflicting inputs, like Sneak toggle versus hold, based on comfort. Also, avoid jumping or being pushed, because interrupting Sneak resets progress. Finally, position on flat ground to build consistent stacks. You now focus on building and maintaining swift Sneak stacks. Walk steadily while crouched to accumulate levels, and notice the incremental speed shifts. Once you hit a higher stack, keep performing only allowed actions. Don't jump, take hits, or use tools, because those resets cost time. If you must perform an action, plan a safe pause area with cover. Make sure to practice in short corridors or flat runs to learn timing. Repetition trains your muscle memory for preserving stacks under pressure. You complete the maneuver by releasing Sneak at your target or smoothly transitioning to normal walk to keep momentum. Time that release so momentum converts into immediate movement. If your stacks collapse unexpectedly, diagnose common causes. Check keybinds for accidental toggles, verify server latency or rubber banding, and remove conflicting effects or enchantments that interrupt sneaking. Make sure to replicate the issue in a controlled world, once isolated. Adjust controls or environment and practice short runs until you consistently hit and retain swift Sneak stacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.